up and try it out. For the station as well as the vacuum, and then last but not least the station itself. Now let's charge it up. On the bottom of it, multi-purpose cleaning brush and detangling tool. We have a ramp. We have our side cleaning brush labeled R for the right side of our unit. Got a blue color scheme. Wash them yourself, and obviously when they wear out and it's time to replace them, simple and straightforward. Next, purple branding. They're just held on by Velcro, so you can easily remove these if you want to give them an even deeper clean. Next, you'll find we have our two mopping pads in modules. Both are identical to each other. We got the nice Eureka. For all the contents, first up we have our product literature consisting of a quick start guide and a full instruction guide and manual. Next, break out on the side, and then we're back to the front of the box. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Here, washing at 131 degree hot air mop drying. High-speed dual rotating mop, another boards. Let's rotate the box around where we can see a breakout of all those features. On this side, they walk with their scrub extend, so the mop will kick out to the side of the unit to get closer to your side edges and base. Tangling technology, where basically at the station, it'll cut the hair away. And we have advanced edge cleaning, tail box and packaging right here, 19,000 pascals of suction, what they're calling Flexi Razor Anti-Hair. I own. Eureka's not seeing this video until you are seeing this video. Take a look at the reach out to Eureka for sending us this sample. I want you to know that any opinion expressed in this video is strictly mine. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Eureka. This is the J15 Ultra. Huge shout out. Our first clean, take a look at the results. We'll start with the removable station tray. We have some residue here as water has